Hi, my name is Dr. Anthony Barrett. I'm a facial plastic surgeon in Miami, Florida. And today I wanted to demonstrate a patient who's a great candidate for a hair transplantation. We'll be doing this case with the FUE procedure where the individual grafts are extracted from the back and sides of the head, eliminating the possibility of a linear scar. So with this patient today, he's in his early 30s, and I've gone ahead already and designed the hairline for the patient, which is conservative but yet very natural appearing for his age. And as you can see, he's experienced some frontal hair loss, classic male hair loss pattern. He's experienced it over the last 10 years, so it's slowly progressive. Again, a great candidate for transplantation. And our plan today will be to do around 1,300 to, depending on 1,500 FUE grafts to fill in this frontal area and restore his hairline. Thank you. My name is Dr. Anthony Barrett. I'm a facial plastic surgeon in Miami, Florida.